Hi Aries, this is your next 10 days reading. I am going to look at the cards which are in front of me. I have already divinated, taken out your card, clarified them, and I have taken those cards which have fallen out for you. So before I start your tarot reading, telling you about your energies for the next 10 days, I am going to look at what the card from the Angels Abundance deck is saying, what message you have got for the next 10 days from the Angels Abundance deck. It is saying abundance mindset. If you think of your abundance as something that happens in the future, then it will always be one day away from you. See, feel, think, and speak of abundance as something you already have in the present moment, and that is what you will experience. So, feel abundance, think of abundance from today, from now, so that your abundance is not one day away from you. That is what the angels are telling you. Very important message. So, I hope you understood the message. So, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to look at the cards which have come out for you. These are general energies, and the signs and symbols of the tarot will explain it. So the first card which I have got is the Three of Cups, good energy. This energy means that you are going to celebrate some success, you are going to be happy with friends, you are going to be in this mode of mission accomplished. Maybe a first leg of something has been completed by you regarding your job, regarding your love affair, regarding your family. So you will feel happy, you will feel that you have laid a foundation for a new thing, something new is happening, you will enjoy with outsiders, not with your close family. So this is a kind of feeling that will give you healing. Sometimes people from outside your family give you a lot of healing, so you will be enjoying with friends. You also have lot of options. This means that your world is opening up, you have options in front of you. It's a good card, but sometimes people get confused with the amount of options they have. If it is regarding job or work you want to look for, these kind of options can scatter your energies. If this is regarding love, you have lot of options in love, you cannot zero down on one, so it gives you a lot of confusion. So, and also there is this illusory veil in front of your eyes. You have to come out of it, you have to come out of it and see that what suits you best, and how you can look for that cup, that emotional thing, that thing which will satisfy you emotionally. Basically, you will have to concentrate your energies, look at the thing that suits you. This could be a person, this could be a job, this could be an option regarding your holidays, or an option regarding buying something as mundane as that. But this means that you have options, you are happy, you are healed, and you are feeling satisfied in abundance. So good for you. You are starting your next 10 days in this energy. So as you go forward, I see you that you are getting out of a struggle situation. There is lot of competition or struggle, or there are delays around you. You are getting out of that with the Six of Swords. So the Six of Swords is coming with the Five of Wands. This means Five of Wands means conflict. Five of Wands means that there is lot of competition. So the route, or the way you have to tackle this is it has to be an alternate method. The methods you have tried has not worked, so you have to try a better method, an alternate method, to get over any kind of delay, problems, conflicts around you. Things which are not working out, you have to think a bit differently and try to sort that. So you are going to do that precisely. You are going to take yourself out of these troubled circumstances, and you will be going towards calmer and better environment. This will be your doing. You will think about it, think of a solution, and overcome this obstacle which is coming in your path. So these are pip cards, these are small energies. These could be energies around you day to day. So there will be this day to day problem which you will sort out, and you will be able to overcome this obstacle. For some of you, it can mean travel, it can mean that a signifier has come, a symbol has come, that you will need to make a journey. So there will be a journey in the process. So I also see that your illusion, which I was talking about, there is a blindfold on your eyes regarding something, and you have to make a decision, but you are at a stalemate situation. You don't make a decision regarding a love life. Maybe you are not making a decision regarding a job which you want to quit, or the thing you want to do. You are pulled in two different directions. And you are thinking what to do. But what to do can only happen when you open your eyes, think of the things clearly, see the truths in front of you, gather evidence, and then take a decision, take a direction in your life. You are feeling, because of this decision which is not happening, or the logjam situation, you are feeling, oppressed. You are feeling that you are burdened, you have lot of responsibility, and you are, pulled between two different directions, and you are not able to make a decision regarding an oppressed situation in life. But it is going to end, because this is the 10 of wands. You are feeling burdened, and this burden will be released by you, and you will see how you are becoming lighter when you are able to think about something, make a decision about something. Lot of things will open up for you. I see a direction coming in. I see 8 of wands. This means travel can come in. You can get, if you had put in job application, an answer can come in, a contract can come in, situation where you can, exchange messages with your loved one can happen, wherein there was some stagnation and delays, because this was there. The 5 of wands was there, the 2 of swords were there, the 10 of wands was there. So there were struggles, there were problems. Those problems will be sorted out with the 8 of wands. A direction will be there in your life regarding love, regarding job, regarding money, regarding whatever your endeavor is, or whatever your feeling is. Lines will open up, communication will happen. So if you want to, exchange information with your lover, you will be able to do things. You will receive messages. There will be, success situation. This is your own card, the Queen of Wands. You will be in a successful situation regarding communication. You will be able to talk to people. You will be able to, project what you want to do in life. You will be able to express better and take a direction of progress in your life. So a success coming in with the Queen of Wands. This can mean an opportunity or a success coming in with the 8 of Wands supporting it. This means something good is going to happen. As you go forward, this good thing can, result in a reward, award, reaping of some success. There will be success, definitely. There will be ceremony in the house. For some of you, celebration, reunion, meeting with your loved one, meeting with people you like. There will be, buying or selling of house. Some good news for you. Something good is going to happen and culminate into a celebration for you. This is regarding your family. You will be around with your family, experiencing joy in this period. You will see proper reciprocation, a new, opportunity for something to do which can have lot of potential for you in the future is coming in. Monetarily, you will feel better. You will have enough to get by. You will be doing some charity or receiving something from someone. So lot of good things are happening for you regarding your family. Family will be the focus, and you will enjoy with family. I also see that a situation regarding a love life or a relationship, or a job wherein the air sign was involved, that is Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. That situation will end for you. That situation will totally end for you. A chapter with Aquarius, Gemini or Libra will end for you because of their rash coming in and going out of your life. you will decide to end that chapter or quit that chapter in love or in relationship or with some family member or friend, and you will have a victory over this circumstance. You will have a victory over this circumstance, and you will feel happier, you will be acknowledged, or you will take some quick action regarding something which will give you a victory. You will close one thing and start something. For so some of you will be starting a new relationship or getting over an old relationship, and this air sign will be around you. So this is what I see regarding your next 10 days. So the signs and symbols will be there, and you will be able to resonate with your own life situation, because I am giving you a general picture. So an air sign is around you, or a Scorpio is around you. I don't know who is there, but things will be getting over with this person. You will be able to get a victory over this person, and you will take this victory could be on a person who is always sermonizing, who is cold, who is not warm towards you. So maybe a boss, maybe a spouse, could be a brother, sister, anyone, a friend who is always trying to manipulate you. You will be able to get over this person and get victory over this person. So that is what I see. And your outcome is very interesting, and the angel advice is also very interesting. Your outcome is that there is deception around you, and air sign energy is creating deception around you. You have to understand this deception. You are sick and tired of this deception, but you are not going to take any action, or you will take an action of sacrifice, a willingful sacrifice. Take this person out of your life. This air sign person should be out of your life, and you will take this person out of your life. Do a willing sacrifice, or look at the picture clearly now without taking action. But angels are telling you, it could be regarding a partnership, it could be regarding a love life, it could be a choice, a difficult choice regarding something which you will have to make in the near future. So angels are telling you that balance yourself carefully, don't drop the ball, because you are multitasking, you are trying to adjust between two things in your life. So you have to take any step very carefully. Try, if you are multitasking, or if you are doing two jobs, or if you are handling two relationships, you have to be very careful in that and maintain a balance. Or if you are stressed regarding money, the money situation or the partnership situation has to be worked out properly. So you are getting this two of swords, two of pentacles, and the lovers. This is duality, double thing which is happening in your life, regarding which you have to take a decision. This decision will be a responsible one. This will be a difficult choice for you, but you will have to make it in near future. So angels are saying, if you have to step back, please step back. Be curious, be alert, gather information and evidence, and then take a decision. That is what the angel is advising. So this is all from me for the next 10 days, my dear Aries. If you have some specific questions, if you want to know about your personal life, your personal situation, you can leave in a comment regarding that for a personal reading from me, and you can book it. And when you leave a comment, I will reply to you, so that you can take that forward. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe, and put in a comment if you want a personal reading in the comment box. That's it from me. Bye bye.